Looking to tackle a big cleaning project? Whether it's decluttering your home, prepping for a remodel, or clearing out after a big event, Haul Away Guy in Chattanooga has the perfect solution: dumpster rentals made easy. Say goodbye to the stress of countless trash bags and trips to the dump. With our affordable, convenient dumpsters, you can clean up at your pace and make that clutter disappear. Our dumpsters come in a variety of sizes to handle any project, big or small. Need a compact option for a home cleanout? We've got you covered. Tackling a major renovation or clearing construction debris? No problem. Our team delivers the dumpster right to your location and picks it up when you're done, simple, hassle-free, and on your schedule. Plus, with upfront pricing and no hidden fees, you know exactly what to expect. That's the Haul Away Guy difference. Ready to take control of your cleanup? With Haul Away Guy, your dumpster rental is just a call or click away. Experience the easiest way to clear out the mess and make your space shine. Contact us today and see why Chattanooga trusts Haul Away Guy for dumpster rentals that deliver.